this is what I come to in my room. Find this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 12 of Vlogmas, and also today is my dad's birthday. Do you remember last year what we did for his birthday?
No. What we did?
Well, last year, me and my mother went to go get facials and eyelash extensions.
Uh-oh.
Remember that? And then Dad opened his birthday present and he looked thoroughly annoyed. Hey, I gotta turn your present. I don't want them to see the side. Okay, we gotta move.
No, Sunny down.
A little
No.
And
Not
then
enough room for
gaming,
you.
I'm just gonna turn it a little bit this way. Yeah, you're good to go.
Sit. No, you're hot, brother.
I realize I don't tell you that nearly enough. So on your birthday, I want you to know how thankful I am for the life and home we've made together and how much I love you. Happy birthday, love always. Alicia, 2007. Are you guys kidding me?
We also went to the dollar store that was very dysfunctional. We also went to Hallmark to get some stuff and more Christmas decorations. So I'm gonna do a little haul right now. Okay, I'm not gonna pull that. Oh my God, where's the card? Where's the card? Oh God.
Yeah. This was fine. Put that one back in there. That's great, girl. You're a great girl. Or get that pen right there.
Well, shouldn't we wait until Jamie comes home?
Oh. Well, I'm gonna give him mine now. I don't need to wait till Jamie comes home and give him mine.
So the first thing we got is a nutcracker. It looks like this. It's pretty nice. We got some more kitchen towels. This one says, what does it say? Jingle all the way. Oh, we got some stocking holders. So the first one is of Santa. Second one is a reindeer. Looks very cute. They're pretty heavy though. So the last thing we got is a lantern cage. And this one's red, so it looks very Christmassy. So that is all that we got from Hallmark. That's pretty much all the Christmas decorations we're gonna get. So I'll be filming a house tour, a Christmas house tour soon. Happy birthday, Dad!
Thank you, Jazmine.
Oh, shoot. Did I text it to you? Oh, I did.
You can airdrop it to him.
I just texted. This is your birthday gift.
Oh, you bought the grill?
It's ready for pickup now.
Oh, where do we pick it up from, babe?
Home Depot.
Awesome. You bought the expensive color.
So different than the reaction what I was
Yeah,
expecting.
I'm excited.
I mean, it's a
I'm super excited.
very expensive gift. It wasn't like it
Oh,
was
it's a super expensive
It
gift.
wasn't
Hey,
a cheap
I'm coming
gift.
to give you a kiss
It was
because
not.
I wanted that.
So different
Thank you
than
so much. Hey, it's exactly what I wanted, everyone. Personally, me, I'm so excited because she spent extra money and got me the expensive color.
So this is the grill set that we got my dad. It is huge. So huge. But this is what my dad's grill set looks like put together. This thing weighs over 200 pounds. It is very big. Huh, Carl?
Guys, can't wait till I got home to open it.
Bruh, it's 7 o'clock. It's too late.
I'm a working man.
We suggested that Dad would wait for you, but he was like, no. His card is on the table if you want to sign it. If not, then that's okay.
Yeah, you gotta sign it, Jamie.
All right. Yeah, you can sign the card as I read it. All right, where's the pen at? There it is.
That is his birthday gift there.
I think I got that.
You should have seen him trying to put that together and tried. Him and Grandpa lifted it onto the stand.
The
Yeah.
box that we got it from,
Nice.
picked it up from Home Depot, it weighed 235 pounds.
Yeah.
And I kept telling him, you need to wait till Jamie gets home.
Like now.
Yeah, he don't